Good morning, Italy! So, since we are in Italy, hindi natin palalampasin ang Christmas bread na panettone. So, classic to, guys. Yung, ano natin, well, have the taste of the authentic panettone. So guys, ang laki pala nito. Ayan siya. The Christmas bread in Italy. So, please comment down below. Ano ba to? Paano ba to nila kinakain? Is it for dessert? Or for breakfast? Snacks? So, maghati lang tayo na. Smells so good. I think I have like guys. Oh, with raisins, amazing. That is why it's very, very smells so good. It's not that sweet, but it's so tasty. It's like a bread with this one with raisin. Yummy. Panettone, check. Look. Meron kasi sila mga Christmas product, guys. Parang sa German, meron din silang sa Germany, meron din sila dun German bread. Tuwing Christmas lang. Kasi itong panettone, tuwing Christmas lang din siya. So, like Spain, yung turon, yung nougat. Dito, ito naman. Masarap siya. It has orange peel. Tingnan nyo. Kaya pala sobrang niyang bango. Yum, yum, yum. My goodness. Parang kaya ko siyang ubusin. Sa mga bread lover, this is a must. You have to taste this. Yummy.